Osceola County in east-central Arizona, extreme east-central Maricopa County in south-central Arizona, until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4:41 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing nickel-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Apache Lake, or 12 miles southwest of Roosevelt, and moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Other locations in the